Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this 3 pack of silicone skins for the Arlo camera for free, so I can open them up and just show them to you, let you see the quality up close. So 1, 2, 3 in the pack there. Just take one of them out. The silicone itself does feel really nice. It feels super protective. See, it has the name Taken on it, which I want to say to you that I've worked with the Taken brand before on some of their products, and I think they're a really great company. I trust their products, and I think they just really have good quality things. And now just looking at the quality of this silicone skin here, I think that's continued on. So if you have an Arlo and you're looking for a nice cover, a nice skin form, definitely think you should go ahead and check these out.